राधा स्वामी. Pratik, happy birthday to you. Today is your 40th birthday. 1984, 7th July, the day you were born. हमारी जिंदगी में हमारा दूसरा बच्चा आया पिंकी के बाद. हमारी दुनिया ही बदल गई बेटा. हमारे दो प्यारे प्यारे बच्चे हुए. बहुत खुश हैं अपनी अपनी जगह. खूब तरक्की करो, खूब खुश रहो बेटा. हम आज तुम्हें बहुत याद कर रहे हैं, मिसिंग यू. और यही दुआ करते हैं मालिक के चरणों में हमारे बच्चे जहाँ रहें खुश रहे. आज तुम्हारा एक माइलस्टोन है, 40th बर्थडे, और तुम अपने परिवार के साथ हो, वो भी मुझे बहुत खुशी है. दो प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों के साथ हमेशा खुश रहो, प्रसन्न रहो, तरक्की करो बेटा. राधा स्वामी. अभी पापा बोलेंगे.
Radha Saami. Hello Pratik, congratulations on your 40th birthday today on 7th July 2024. When you were born, I was there and Mummy was inside and I just took you in my arms. You were so small and your Babaji was also very happy.
Amma also.
Amma was also very happy and we came after so many days to our house and Mummy came back and then our journey started. So it is a long journey. You worked very hard and graduated.
Yes.
And then you moved to MBA and then you moved to your jobs, several jobs. Finally you have reached your last job in Australia. This was so good. And where you were married in 2013. It was such a beautiful day for us, and now you got two beautiful children, girls. So now you take care of them and lead them to the good path. Also, we wish you a very good, happy, prosperous, and very long life in which you can enjoy everything. And also, as parents, we also think that we will be with you sometime and then we'll be meeting you frequently and we'll be celebrating your 40th birthday.
Yes, true.
Even after it falls in the calendar. That's all, and have a very, very happy, wonderful birthday and very, very happy returns of the day. Thank you. Saami.
तुझे सूरज कहूँ या चंदा, तुझे दीप कहूँ या तारा, मेरा नाम करेगा रोशन, जग में मेरा राज दुलारा. कब से तरस रहा था मेरे आंगन में कोई खेले, नन्ही सी हंसी के बदले मेरी सारी दुनिया ले ले. तेरे संग झूल रहा है मेरी बाहों में जग सारा, मेरा नाम करेगा रोशन, जग में मेरा राज दुलारा. तुझे सूरज कहूँ या चंदा, तुझे दीप कहूँ या तारा, मेरा नाम करेगा रोशन, जग में मेरा राज दुलारा. आज उंगली थाम के तेरी तुझे मैं चलना सिखलाऊं, कल हाथ पकड़ना मेरा जब.
तुम्हारा जर्नी मुझे हमेशा याद आता है. देहरादून देहरादून से जोधपुर, जोधपुर से बड़ौदा, बड़ौदा में तुमने इंजीनियरिंग करी, अपना वो किया। उसके बाद फर्स्ट पोस्टिंग यू गॉट टू बॉम्बे, देन ये बेंगलोर, चेन्नई, हैदराबाद, हैदराबाद से सीधे तुम उड़ के ऑस्ट्रेलिया गए। बट उस पीरियड की जो यादें हैं वो हमेशा मैं याद रखती हूँ। तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स, बचपन में फ्रेंड बना सनी, अंकित, उससे मैंने वो कुछ लिए हैं, वो भी तुम्हें याद करता है। भाविन जो तुम्हारे साथ था यहाँ कॉलेज में, स्कूल में भी स्कूल फ्रेंड था। फिर तुम LNT में गए, वहाँ के कुछ फ्रेंड, देन ग्रेट लेक्स। इस तरह से मैंने तुम्हारे सभी दोस्तों से तुम्हारी विशेष ली हैं। सो तुमको मैं ये भेंट करती हूँ। और एक बात और प्रतीक, जब भी तुम मुझे सपने में आते हो मुझे हमेशा 4-5 साल के दिखते हो। मेरी वही मेमोरीज तुम्हारी है बेटा। खुश रहो, जहाँ भी रहो खुश है। मुझे सबसे बड़ी बात है तुम अपने परिवार के साथ, दिव्या के साथ, दोनों बच्चों के साथ खुश हो। मालिक से प्रार्थना करते हैं अपने परिवार के साथ खुश रहो और जल्दी मिलने की आशा करते हैं। राधा स्वामी। आई होप दिस स्मॉल प्रेजेंटेशन you will like.
Thank you. Radha Swami.
Hi Prateek, how are you? Ankit, Sunny this side from Jodhpur. I hope you remember me. How have things been at your end? Wishing you all the best on your special day and also for many more to come. Hope you enjoy your day. All the best. Goodbye.
Hi Prateek, happy 40th birthday. Hope you're having an amazing day. I just wanted to congratulate you on such a big milestone. And out of the 40 years I've been in your life for the last 13 years and I've thoroughly enjoyed. We started at Great Lakes and then going to Tech Mahindra in Chennai, which I had a lot of fun at, but I think you were not a big fan of Chennai. That's okay. But the best part was meeting you here in Melbourne when I found out that you've also moved here. And then becoming friends with Divya and now being friends with your whole family, meeting Arya and Avya is just amazing. And
happy birthday, Father Uncle. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Hip hip hooray! Happy birthday, Prateek.
Happy birthday, Father Uncle.
Many happy returns of the day, Prateek. Have lots of fun and finally you enter the 40s. But age is just a number.
Hey Prateek, wish you a very very happy birthday. I'm so glad you are turning 40 before me. I hope you enjoy this day with your lovely daughters and give Divya some break. I think she deserves it. I'm just kidding. Wish you lots of love, laughter, joy, happiness in this coming years. Proud daddy moments, blessed health, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Hey Prateek, welcome to the 40s यार। अपने 20s में हम स्कूल और कॉलेज में घुमा करते थे। And now see, we are in the 40s. So यार, we should try and catch up now यार. It's been a long time. So let's do that in our 40s at least. Do come to Dubai anytime when you plan. Stay with me. And yeah, wish you a very happy birthday and wish you many more happy and healthy years to come. Thank you. Bye. See ya.
Yes, Prateek. Wishing you a very happy 40th year birthday. It was great to meet you and your wife and Ira and Avya when you guys visited in Singapore. You know we are moving back to India and our next meet, whenever that happens, will be in Bangalore. So do plan a trip to Bangalore whenever you guys visit India. I wish you once again a very happy birthday. Live a very healthy and fit life. Bye.
Birthday, Prateek Uncle. Happy birthday, Prateek Uncle. Happy birthday,
happy birthday Prateek! Happy birthday Prateek on your 40th this time. बहुत सारा टाइम चला गया है. It looks like कि यार अभी तो पास आउट हुए थे ग्रेट लेक से, but it's already been 12 years. So unbelievable, right? Many congratulations. May you have lots of fun ahead with Divya and the kids. US आओ हम लोग के साथ, stay in Atlanta, stay at our home. Along with me, Priyam is also wishing you. So we hope that you have a blast, you enjoy your day to the fullest. This is a very big milestone. Take care and yeah, keep having fun, keep drinking good coffee in Australia, and let's meet up. Let's meet up very soon.
Hi Pratik, here's wishing you a very happy 40th birthday, man. Kudos to Auntie for taking this initiative. It's really very thoughtful of her. Okay, I know हम लोग एक दूसरे से one to one बहुत कम बात कर पाते हैं, but ये connected world में I see some glimpses of you here and there. I'm sure you might have seen mine as well. So I know that you're doing really great in your life and keep doing great. I just want that we meet again sometime. और मैं तू और भाविन जो हम लोग मस्ती करते थे प्रोजेक्ट के टाइम पे, काम कम मस्ती ज़्यादा. I just want to relive those days. So whenever we get a chance, let's meet up. And a very happy future to you, man.
Hi Pratik, happy birthday. I heard you're now wiser by 40 years. And of those 40 years, it seems like I've known you for 20 years. That's crazy. Thank you for your friendship and companionship all those years back when we were frantically preparing for our MBA and doing presentations on John F. Kennedy and Nixon. And it's been great to get back in touch with you in Melbourne here. So all the best for your new decade and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Pratik, I love you. Happy birthday to you. Hope you have a super special day just as you are for all of us. Love you so much and happy birthday.
Hi Pratik, how are you? Hope you're having a great time at your retreat. Just wanted to come and say wish you a very happy milestone birthday, Pratik. Welcome to the 40s club. Yes, मेरा भाई भी आ गया 40s के club में. Just wanted to say that you're the best brother, the best father, and I'm pretty sure Divya can attest to it. Best husband, and hope you get to celebrate all that on your 40th. And remembering apni masti wale days, like 40 years of togetherness. बहुत मस्ती एज अ चाइल्डहुड. रिमेंबर हम लोग वो C73 वाले पलंग पे चप्पल, एंड देन पापा विल बी लाइक हे सिविल लोग हैं यहाँ पे, स्लम उसमें हो तुम, स्लम्स में हो. सो एनीवेज आई लव यू भाई, एंड आई जस्ट होप के you get a healthy life, you're fit, and wishing you lots of happiness and lots of love, and hum jaldi se mile, and of course we have to make an effort to meet every year, and we should do it. ठीक है, chalo, you have a great day, and here's my better half.
Hello, happy birthday Mr. Mathur, how are you? Big milestone birthday, huh? I was just thinking, it has been 20 years since I've known you. You were a 20-year-old young lad, and looking back at the 20 years I've known you, you've matured into such a fine man who everybody's so proud of. And we're here sending all our good wishes on your big special day. Wishing you lots and lots of happiness, prosperity, healthy, great life ahead. And we shall surely celebrate it soon. All right, and you enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Pratik. Love you.